Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. The next problem of SQL is sort the province names in ascending order in such a way that the province Ontario is always on the top. So we have to sort the data in such a manner that the Ontario province will be always at the top and remaining provinces will be sorted in ascending order. So first we will select the province name from the province table. Okay, now we will sort. We will use order by clause here. Order by. Here I am going to categorize the province name in two different categories, that is 0 and 1. So for this I am using case statement here. Case when province name equals to Ontario, then I am assigning the category to 0, else 1, and means we have categorized this province name in two different categories, that is 0 and 1. So when we will going to sort this category, 0 will be at the top and 1 will be at the end. So Ontario, by default the Ontario province will be at the top and remaining will be sorted in ascending order. So I will call the next sorting case is province name. Now we will execute this. Yeah, we have successfully solved the problem. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel and share this video among your friends and colleagues so that they can also get benefit.